In this video, I'll show you how to connect your NinjaTrader account to TradingView. First, log into the TradingView account you want to use. At the top of the page, click on Products, then open the Trading panel. Now scroll down and click on Trading Panel button. This is where all supported brokers are listed. If you don't see the one you need, click All Brokers to expand the full list. Scroll until you find NinjaTrader and select it. At this point, you'll be asked whether you want to connect a live account or a demo account. If you're new, I recommend starting with a demo to test everything out safely before moving to live trading. Next, enter your NinjaTrader username and password. Double-check your details, then click Connect. Give it a moment, and if everything is correct, your NinjaTrader account will be linked to TradingView. From here, you'll be able to trade directly on TradingView charts using your NinjaTrader funds. If you have any issues, make sure your login info is correct and try refreshing. And that's it. You're now connected.